Hello TikTok creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of filters. Glowing star. Whether you want to add a touch of magic, enhance color or create a dreamy feel, filters are your secret weapon. Begin. Step 1. Access the filter. Open the TikTok app, click the button to create a new video. On the right side of the screen, click Filters. Step 2. Explore the filter catalog. You'll find filters grouped into 4 categories. Portraits, perfect for selfies and close-ups. Landscape, enhances the quality of landscape photos. Food, for lively, attractive videos. Vibe, add mood and style to your content. Step 3. Choose your filter. Scroll through the filters in each category. Tap a filter to preview it. Find a topic that matches your video theme. Step 4. Adjust filter intensity. After selecting a filter, use the slider to adjust its intensity. Less bold for a subtle effect, darker for a bold look. Step 5. Record your video. Press the red record button. Create your content with the selected filter. Dance, lip sync or show off your talent. Wishing you success with this support tool. Thanks for watching the video.